In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple items in Miro. By the end, you'll be able to quickly grab exactly what you need, whether it's a handful of sticky notes or an entire section of your board, and move or edit everything in one go. Start by opening the Miro board where you want to work. Give the board a second to load so all your objects are visible and responsive. If your board is large, it can help to zoom into the area you're focusing on so you don't accidentally grab unrelated items. One of the fastest ways to pick several objects is by using the Shift key. Hold Shift, then click each object you want to include. You can mix and match different element types, sticky notes, shapes, images, text, and more. If you click something by mistake, keep holding Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. You'll see a blue outline and handles around the items you've selected, which confirms they're grouped for editing. If you want to capture a cluster in one motion, use the selection tool by clicking and dragging your mouse to draw a box around the items. Everything completely inside the box will be selected. If you grabbed too much, release the mouse and adjust your approach with a tighter box, or hold Shift and deselect individual objects you don't want. Try to avoid dragging over locked elements or background frames unless you intend to include them. Locked items won't move and can be confusing if they appear highlighted. When you need everything on the board, use the universal shortcut, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac. This selects all visible items. On very large boards, this may be more than you want, so consider zooming into a specific area before using it, or use Shift-click to refine your selection afterward. With your items selected, you can move them together by clicking and dragging inside the selection. Use the corner handles to scale proportionally, or the side handles to stretch. The toolbar and context menu lets you change color, font size, line thickness, and more. And alignment tools help you tidy up spacing and distribution. If you decide to start over, click on an empty area of the canvas or press Escape to clear the selection. That's all you need to efficiently select multiple items in Miro. Open your board, use Shift-click for precision, drag to create a selection box for speed, use Select All when appropriate, and then move or edit everything at once.